Hello, welcome to another episode of Now for Sketch Journaling Holiday Edition, last episode. This is what you are seeing here is Marmaris. It's Marmaris marina where the ships take off. At the end of it there is a beautiful coffee shops and shops, and near the castle, there is a castle there. There is this beautiful tiny streets and houses, and this white house, I think it's a hotel, particularly drew my attention, and I wanted to I took some photos thinking that I might draw, and then the whole day finished, and with those photos in my pocket we got to the plane, and on the way home in the plane I decided, okay, I have some time, maybe I'm just gonna draw, and that's what I did. It was a bit bumpy, not as bumpy as a bus or train, but it was still, it actually helped, and it made me think that many people ask me, how do you do this continuous contour that I can't let my lines go as loose as yours? I would definitely recommend you try to draw on the plane, in the or on the train, and this will definitely help you loosen your lines a bit, because you won't be able to draw. And at the end, as you can see, it actually worked out. But I started a bit too late, and we were arriving in Warsaw, and I had to wait until the next day to finish this final drawing and painting. As I do at the beginning of every video, I'm showing you previous pages here. You can find many of them. I did 12 paintings on this whole day. In total 8 of them has a video. If you go and check it out on my channel, you can watch them being drawn and painted, and I tell you and explain you my creative decisions along the way. And here, and this is also one of the things that happens, you can't do everything on holiday, the time is limited. You might have to finish some things after coming home, and that's what I'm doing here. In here I actually cut out almost 2 minutes of video because I was mixing this blue. I didn't have this specific blue. It was closer to sky blue, but it had a bit of a turquoise in it, I don't know. So I mixed some of the colors until I was happy with the result, and then very quickly that's what I'm applying. As you can see, there is not much color going on. It's very simple white building with blue doors and window frames and roof and these tiny balconies, and with that I'm just gonna splash a little bit of blue after applying the blue colors. And if you can see on the left hand side, there is a little bush or tree coming out of the balcony actually, and I will just add some green to represent that on my painting, and maybe at the end a bit of a shadow, because otherwise it looks a bit bare. As you can see, for the tree I'm not going too crazy. I'm not trying to paint the actual leaves, just a few dabs with the brush, and after that some splashes, that's it. And then I will add a bit of shadow. Normally I don't even bother with shadow, but I felt like this particular painting needed. Over there I am adding some color to the title, Marmaris. Marmaris, by the way, is this, I guess, one of the biggest attractions in the city of Muğla in Turkey, and where the village I was staying, my parents are staying, was connected to Marmaris. It's the main, it's even bigger than the city itself. It is that popular, and if you go and see it one day, definitely check it out. I picked up a bit of black just to apply this grayness of the stairs going up, and I'm gonna add some shadows to the I just added some shadows to the stairs, and I'm gonna add some to the inside the windows as well, because they, when you look from this angle, they just look dark. And the same goes for this roof. There's probably a balcony there, and we are seeing the bottom of it from this angle, so it looks darker than the parts that are outside. And what else? I'm gonna add some shadows to the tree as well, because if you look closely at the bottom, any bush or tree looks a bit darker, because the top leaves are facing the sky to get the maximum amount of sun, and they always appear brighter, and the bottoms look darker, so I added a bit of shadow at the bottom. And some splashes with black as well, because why not? And I decided that green was a bit too much there, so I smudged it with a clean brush. And with that, we came to the end of my painting. I will show you close-up of the details. This is how it looks, and this was the video. As you can see, proportions there is not exactly the same, it's not as narrow. Also, this photo was a very wide angle, that's why it looks a bit weird, so don't worry about that. This is how it looks. If you would like to start your own Neufort sketch journals, you can find the link in the description and watch my class Neufort sketch journaling. I hope I will see you on the next series. Bye.